So I have a SaniDry dehumidifier from Basement Systems, and I'm having trouble getting it to work, trouble with what I think is the exhaust fan. So I'm just going to show what the problem seems to be here. This Basement Systems produces this product. So this is the exhaust fan, and when I turn it on, it doesn't kick in. The dehumidifier part is working, but the exhaust fan isn't working. And the issue with the fan is, if I kick it off with my hand, it does start spinning counterclockwise and carries on, but that's actually the wrong direction for it to spin. The fan doesn't blow very strong. I believe that the fan is supposed to spin clockwise, and when I spin it by hand that way, it blows quite a bit more air. It's just that the fan itself won't actually pick up speed. It only wants to spin counterclockwise, which seems to be the wrong direction. So the people at Basement Systems very kindly sent me a replacement circuit board, and I sort of replaced all the circuits, and I double-checked them quite a few times to make sure that I'd done it right, and it seems to be right. Now this exhaust fan itself is a replacement of a previous fan that I had that stopped working when the dehumidifier flooded. The base of that fan rusted out. This is a new fan. The capacitor, I've wondered whether it's a problem with the capacitor, so I've tried various cable settings here, the indicated setting and a bunch of other settings, but none of them seem to work right. So it's a bit of a mystery. A repairman that I brought in wasn't able to fix it for me, but he suggested that perhaps the fan itself is bad, because he couldn't seem to find any explanation. It seems like everything, this is the old capacitor here from the previous fan. It seems like everything is hooked up correctly, and so it's just hard to understand why the fan is spinning backwards. So that's my problem.